Hi, my name is Ellen Saville. I'm the co-founder and creative director of the Endery. We're a contemporary knitwear brand with a zero-waste approach. We use existing materials to create lifelong pieces. My whole life revolves around yarn. I learned ancestral textile techniques while I was living in Latin America. Travel and cultural diversity is something I explore in my designs. I repair lots of my own clothing when it's damaged and worn to keep well-loved items in good condition for a long time. I love to have clothing that has a great story to tell. Mending extends the lifespan of our garments, conserves their value and narrative, and minimizes our environmental impact. We repair instead of consume. In this Domestika course, you learn techniques to mend and repair your clothing. I'll show you the materials to work with, how to approach different types of repairs, and how to build different color layouts. For the final project, you'll mend a sweater and a pair of socks to give them a second life and wear your own customized piece. To get started, I'll introduce you to the tools that you need and 3 main fibers: cotton, alpaca, and wool. After that, we'll build a color palette and source yarn from different places. It will then be time to learn various types of repairs and the basic weave mending stitch. Then I'll show you how to play with color and shape to develop your own mending narrative. After that, I'll show you how to tackle the most frequently worn out places and teach you a variety of beautiful stitches that you can use to strengthen weak areas in your knits. Next, we'll look at layout techniques to build your own interesting piece. I'll share my tips on washing and caring, as well as preventing moth damage on your knits. Finally, I'll give you some advice on building your social media presence. At the end of this course, you'll be equipped in how to mend your knits and colourfully customize your clothing to create a distinctive visual narrative. You'll just need an old garment with or without holes, darning needles, pins and scissors, as well as yarns, elastic bands and denim patches. Upcycle your clothes with colourful, visible mending techniques.